So admin panel, login template, forget password template and reset password template task is done. Now I am going to log in here. 1 2 3 4, and here you see this is the admin dashboard, and now I will work with the dashboard part. So what I can do, I am going to copy the layout, and you see in the admin my dashboard was actually here, this one. So this is my dashboard. So what I can do is I can here one thing, this is the dashboard, that means the main page, right? So actually it depends how you will work here. Forget password, login, profile, dashboard and profile, it is okay. Now I am going to create a folder here. Okay, so dashboard. So in the dashboard I am going to put this one, move. So in the dashboard I am going to rename it, and it is index, for example. So index, dashboard index. So if this one, then I will have to change my controller, that means app http, then controllers, admin controller. This will be admin.dashboard.index. Now if I go to refresh, yes, it is working without any problem. Now I am going here. First one is this layout I will have to call here. So in the top, just call this one, and I am going to use the end section here, and inside here what I will write, like this is not needed anymore. I am going to remove everything after this, and I am going to my template section. So my template section actually is admin panel HTML, and here you see the index.html is my code. So here after the main wrapper, what the things are here, this is the thing, this one, and main sidebar there is another one, and then there is a main content section. Okay, so I am going to copy this one, and here I am going to paste all this. So this is like this one, and here you see this is my nav, and here actually the code is like this. So I format the code. So this way I am going to format it this way, and here it will be like this one. So this is actually the code here. So if I now refresh, you see the dashboard comes here like this. And now what is my task? My task here is to create separate things in the layout. You see there is a layout, only master file is there, but here is, you see this is a section, that is a navbar section, and this is a sidebar section. So the top section or nav section I am going to call here, that is nav.blade.php. Another one in the layout I am going to create, that is sidebar.blade.php. So now here this nav portion I am going to cut from here and paste it here, and if I now run it, or here there is another one sidebar, I also cut this from here. Okay, and I am going to cut it into the sidebar blade. So I separated two things. If you refresh, you see that top is hidden and sidebar is hidden. Now how I can bring those back? And you see in my index.blade here I can use the include admin.layouts.nav. If I call this, you see nav comes, and if I call the sidebar, then if you see sidebar comes. So my problem is fixed. Okay, so I call these two items in other pages, but for the login I do not call this. So this is very simple and it is working. Now I am going to my controller. This is my admin controller dashboard. So okay, and another one, that was the profile. So for the profile I will create another one like this. So here into the view I am going to create here a folder, that is profile, and I will just move this profile bullet file into the profile and rename it. I call it index like this. So here admin.profile.index, it will work. And another one in the nav that is very important to work with, that is I will have to call the things. For example, the front end. my front end route is actually the home route, right? So if it is working or not, I check it. If I click here, you see it is taking me to the front end. Front end layout is not here. That is okay, because I only is going to work with the admin layout, but it is working. So this link I fix here. Another one is edit profile. So here, you know, my profile was profile, and here is the logout. So logout is logout, and there were some photos here. For example, one is front end link, it is okay, and another thing was in the right side, and this is the logo, it is okay. I am not going to touch it, but in the top you see there is in the right side photo, user photo. So here I will have to fix this one. Here it will be assets, and here I call into the uploads, it will be the admin photo. That means admin is logged in here. So auth guard user, and then I call photo, and here guard is admin guard, so admin photo will come here. If I refresh, sorry, what is coming here? Asset, not assets. You see the admin photo comes in the top here, okay? And if you click here, it is taking you to the profile, but it is actually admin profile. What will be there? That is in the nav, it is admin logout, and the admin profile is admin profile. So refresh, if you go here, you see this is the admin profile. I will work with the profile page, no problem, but you see it is working up to this. This is the nav, and another one is in the sidebar. In the sidebar there are some links. All the links I will change, and it will be admin dashboard, so like this. And here it is okay. There is a drop down menu, you see I am going to make it off, and all other things you can make it off from here. So if I refresh, you see only dashboard is here, and instead of hand, here you can use a file. It will look better, I think. This is the dashboard, and for the dashboard I use this file, FA file. For other cases, that is handwrite, and for the dashboard I am going to call it home, so it is better. So this is my dashboard. If you click here or here, it will bring you back to the dashboard, and the dashboard items that are showing here, I will change that according to my project. When you will work with the front end, you can modify this type of thing, but for the admin panel it is not needed. I am just going to mastering the template, right? So it is working, and then I will have to work with the profile section, but you see the dashboard has no problem and it looks fine.